Have you ever forgotten a password, but you know your browser saved it? All you see are those little black dots, and you can't remember what's behind them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find, view, and manage your saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. On your computer, open Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Make sure you are on the Profiles tab on the left. Then, look for the option that says Passwords and Autofill. It usually has a key icon next to it. Click that. Then click Microsoft Password Manager to open your password vault. You'll see a list of every website Edge has saved a password for. To see a password, click the On Record to see the details. Edge will ask for your computer's PIN or password for security. Once you enter that, you will get to see the details. To reveal the password, click the eye icon in your password field. This is a lifesaver if you're trying to log in on a different device. If you changed a password recently and Edge has the old one, you can select Edit to update it manually or Delete to remove it completely, so Edge asks you to save the new one next time you log in. And that's how you take control of your saved logins. If this helped you find that forgotten password, please hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos. Thanks for watching.